I think one of the biggest misconceptions in healthcare in our professional is we think that our credential certifications alone will protect our career. And I want to go beyond that. Societies we do practice under, they're also very smartly regulated, but there are some limit to that. AI isn't replacing your profession. It's changing the way that your profession is practiced. That's important to you to understand it. So, and also the same thing can happen to the education as well. I want to tell you this based on the tools and based on the trend of research and practice that AI bring in, even the way that you will see that the AI is coming to affecting on our educational system, teaching, the way we create knowledge, and how does the knowledge is valuable or can or be used, then things are changing. And that is completely going to changing on our definitions, positions in educational system. And I don't think healthcare is no different as well. I think the biggest disruption is not about losing your credential. I don't think so. I think it's about the tools that you are going to use pretty much every day. And you understand, and you actually automatically adapting to these solutions. And these solutions define or redefine your position. So you see that AI can analyze images, automated jobs and tasks, and improve the workflows, generate reports, assisting with the treatment planning, do the auto planning, check plans, check machines, things actually going to change in that sense. And that is so when you have such a tools, then automatically your practice is changing. So I think they're improving our practice, and I'm not against it. But what I'm saying is I just want to make sure that everybody are aligning with these changes and understanding that your practice is going to change. We don't want to stay in the point that we are. We just want to move on. So in my opinion, I think the most successful healthcare professionals won't be the one is simply having the best credentials, certifications. I think this is the one who want to work alongside all of these smart solution techniques, technologies to figure it out how they can improve the current practice and maybe change it. So you need to be able to adapt yourself to be successful in future. AI is not going to replace us. AI is going to change our practice. So you really need to revisiting that and work on that. And I'm telling you based on what I'm seeing now, based on the current projects, research, clinical validations, I think probably 80% of these are changing. So you need to think about something different, improve what we're doing right now. Thank you.